session 14, Autoscaling with launch template. AWS Autoscaling with launch template using Terraform. Create launch template using Terraform resource. Create Autoscaling group using Terraform resources. Create Autoscaling following features like Autoscaling notifications, Autoscaling scheduling actions, scheduled actions, and Autoscaling target tracking scaling policies. So when a visitor visit ASG lc1.agenticai.io, it should hit the route 53 and it should direct the traffic to A1. Any URL we hit, it should direct the traffic to A1 and A2, balancing this two. And this is auto-scaling group, meaning that if the resource uses increase, go beyond the threshold specified, it should launch another instance. So we need the local variable, add auto-scaling related details into local values, and then one file will add it as instance output, because we removed all private EC2 instances as we are going to create EC2 instance with using auto-scaling. So C3, C7 and then C10, this is the file which will be load balancer, remove app1 target, as we are going to talk, we are going to link application load balancer with auto-scaling group. Then route 53 DNS entries, update auto-scaling group demo related DNS names. Then these are the files 13, auto-scaling with launch configuration variables, auto-scaling additional resources, auto-scaling with launch configuration, auto-scaling with launch configuration output. These are all Terraform auto-scaling module, auto-scaling service link role, auto-scaling group with launch configuration. These are all auto-scaling related resources for Terraform. So mainly we need to understand the C13-1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these 7 submodules. So first is create launch template manually, like create base launch template, standardized template. Scenario 2, create app1 launch template referencing the base template by adding additional resources to it. Scenario 3, create new version of app1 launch template and also switch the default version of launch template. We already know about auto-scaling group, which we learned in the launch configuration, so we can ignore and move on to that. So review the existing files, C1 to C12 are already discussed. Route 53, we just need to make one change, ASG LT1 agenticai.io. Auto-scaling with launch template, this is C13. So C13 onward are the files which are crucial for us, mainly this one, C1302, where we are talking about the launch template. So name, description, image that will be used, instance type, security group ID, the key, the user data that will come, the EBS optimized, update default version, device name. So this is the main auto-scaling configuration, and look at the size, the configuration that what we'll be using. Monitoring is true. We need to enable monitoring for resources. Then auto-scaling resource, name prefix, my ASG, desired capacity 2, maximum size 10, minimum size 2, the zone identifier. Now what is the capacity? What is the criteria? Criteria is this one. Strategy is rolling. Minimum healthy percentage is 50. Auto-scaling with the launch template output. This is the output we are expecting. Auto-scaling notification that will be sent to my email ID ramansangwan@gmail.com. This is my personal email ID, and where the email will be sent. Then auto-scaling target tracking policies. These are the policies. So name of the policy type is target traffic scaling. Target, if this value is not provided, AWS will default to simple scaling. So estimated instance warm up 180 default to ASD default classroom 30, cooldown is 300 seconds if not set. So if the CPU utilization is above 50%, then create a new target. So that's the value. Target value is 50%. So if the target crosses 50%, then it should launch another instance. This is another policy based on load balancer target request. Here this is also 10%. Target value is 10%. So the policy is, if the number of requests is greater than 10 completed per target in an application load balancer target group, then launch another instance. So this is another target value. And scheduled actions that will be used, that is minimum size 2, maximum size 10, desired capacity 8. These are the policies we have decided that okay, minimum 2 instances must be running, maximum 8 capacity, maximum we can have 8, desired is 8, maximum is 10. Let's execute this Terraform init. Now let's plan Terraform plan. Yes, now apply. This will also take around 10-15 minutes. We are expecting this. This is where we are expecting our application. It's just matter of time now. Let's wait. The load balancer page is available. This is working fine. Yes, this is done now. Let's see. So this is already working, and then this is the metadata, and this should also be working. Yeah, this is working. Welcome to SkillBDIA app 1. To get the metadata, we have this query that will give the metadata. Yeah, this is metadata. Yes, you are getting the metadata as well. Verification done. Let's destroy this. Terraform destroy. To test the autoscaling, you need to send multiple requests. You have to refresh the page from multiple options. You have to try and then you have to spin up. In reality, it will work if you send the more requests from some automated script or from multiple systems. Then autoscaling will work and it will launch more instances as per the policy. If the policy is configured properly, it's expected to work as given. That's all for the day. Thank you very much.